Samsung's foldable future is fading, with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 being reduced many times in recent weeks. The Z Fold 7, which was intended to be Samsung's crown jewel, has seen manufacturing objectives reduced from 800,000 to 630,000 units. This indicates that Samsung's confidence is dwindling, since book-style foldables do not appeal to the people in the same way as sleeker, more pocket-friendly clamshells do. The Z Flip 7 Fan Edition, which aims to make foldables more accessible to the general public, has also had its manufacturing targets reduced from 210,000 to 170,000 units. This shows that Samsung does not anticipate its upcoming foldables to take the world by storm. Last year's Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 sold an estimated 2.9 million and 2.1 million units, respectively, within 5 months. Given the present trend, it is impossible to see the Z Flip 7 reaching 3 million units. The much-anticipated trifold Galaxy smartphone, which is not mentioned in the most recent Korean publications, is unlikely to change the needle. If the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip the 7th of May make a stunning return, the folding fantasy may soon fade. However, the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 are set to reshape the foldable experience, ushering in a daring new age of innovation. The Fold 7 will include an exceptionally tiny hinge, a titanium backplate, and a revolutionary power management approach that improves battery life and allows for rapid charging with a 25W adapter. Samsung has confirmed the names of the next Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 in a One UI 8 beta release, which can be found in the Samsung Internet Browser app. The listing only displays if the user is using One UI 8, which is currently in beta and only accessible on Galaxy S25 handsets. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Ultra powerhouse teaser has evolved into a spectacular marketing tool. Early in July, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and potentially a new member of the family, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE or Flipped FE, are set to launch. Rumors claim that the launch will take place in New York, although the exact date has yet to be confirmed. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to have an 8.2-inch screen with scarcely visible bezels, delivering an immersive experience for multitasking and media streaming. The phone is supposed to be Samsung's most sophisticated foldable yet, with speculations of a 200 megapixels powerful camera, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a bigger cover display, a thinner and lighter construction, and even a smaller crease. There will be no distinct Ultra model, just one Galaxy Z Fold 7 that has everything. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.